What's up everyone, my name is Aditya and welcome to AGD Tech. And guys, in this video, let us unbox a good quality iPhone cover, and that too in an affordable price segment. Well guys, for the majority amount of people who are already buying an iPhone, they don't want to compromise in terms of the overall durability, because if you break the back glass panel, then it is a very expensive repair. And on the other hand, already you're paying such a high amount for that particular iPhone, so anybody feels it kind of hesitating to spend more money for a good quality cover. So this is the white marble cover for my iPhone XS. So this cover was provided by the company Riggear, and guys, they were kind enough to send me the review units. So by no means this video is sponsored by them. So in simple words, they have not paid me money to speak good about them, but honestly speaking, the entire packaging experience is completely to the next level. First of all, with the case also, you are getting a microfiber cloth for cleaning your device, and on the other hand, they were even kind enough to even send a skin for my Samsung Galaxy Note. And guys, as you can see, they have even provided the small little vinyl for the camera lens. Well, everybody has a different definition for an affordable product. Well guys, according to me, the best affordable product is such a product that provides you the most value for your money. Well guys, I can easily recommend you a below 500 rupees cover, but in reality, we all know that there are so many sacrifices. First of all, it doesn't look that much premium. Well, now let me discuss regarding the overall cover. First of all, this particular white marble finish is, I think, the best to go for. And everybody has their own personal taste. So I personally really like any skin or any cover which is pretty much minimal. So if you like carbon fiber series, then you can go for that. If you are interested in the dragon skin or anything that is pretty much different, then you can go for it. And they have even provided me their dragon skin for my Samsung Galaxy Note 9. Well guys, initially I had ordered it for the Samsung Galaxy Note 8, but suddenly I upgraded that device with my Note 9. So it is my fault that they have provided me the skin for the Note 8, but with the help of some craft work or with the help of a scissor, I was able to cut the corners so that I can fit it to my Samsung Galaxy Note 9. But if you purchase this particular skin, then you will not have like this kind of cutout. And guys, overall speaking, I am really blown away with this particular cover. Well guys, as you can see, they have even provided a small little vinyl for the camera lens. Well guys, it depends upon your usage, but I don't really like this thing. So after this video, I will definitely remove it. But if you want to protect the camera lens, then it is a nice add-on accessory. And guys, honestly speaking, there is not much to discuss about a phone cover, but what makes this particular cover so special from any other cover is the overall experience. First of all, you are getting a very unique box mechanism, and other than that, the rubber quality is pretty good, and depending upon your finish, it is going to be of very nice quality. So in all of the aspects, it kind of justifies the 700 or the 800 rupees of price tag. So definitely, if you are interested in buying this particular Riggear cover for your iPhone, then you can go for it. And not just for iPhone, this cover is available for any other Google Pixel device, for any Samsung phone, or basically any phone that is available out there. So finally, now let us discuss about the overall durability, because that is the major portion why you are buying a good quality cover. And I can clearly tell you that this particular material can easily absorb 2 to 3 feet of drop. Well guys, I cannot confirm you that because I don't want to drop my iPhone, but looking at this particular rubber quality, I am pretty much confident that if I drop this phone from a table height, then it will suffer that particular impact. But if you are talking about like a 5 feet or a 6 feet drop test, then I'm not sure about it. But for a normal day usage, like if you are constantly using it, taking in and out of your pocket, then it will pretty much protect you from all of the scratches. Well, that's it for this particular video. And guys, if you are interested in buying this cover or in buying this particular skin for your personal device, then you can definitely check out riggear. So guys, they have not sponsored this video, but they were kind enough to send me a sample unit. So guys, thanks a lot for watching this quick video. And guys, I will meet you with another beautiful video. Until then, peace.